Hey guys, I've seen some folks online talking about their man caves. This is mine. Probably not a man cave as such, but it's where I create stuff, and what's more manly than that? Right here is my one of my favorite planes. It's a Surge 400 made by Carl Goldberg. Behind that are some plans to some planes that I'm working on. There's an Electra. There is a Ben Buckle back there behind it. Um, you'll see more about the buckle in a second. There's some rockets. Always good to have rockets. That's a disorganized, disheveled mess. Up there, that's Barbara. That's the wife. And then back here, that's my parents. That's the Ben Buckle wing. Vise and some handy dandy stuff. And then what workshop is complete without bins of bits and a stuffed teddy bear that farts. There's my parents up there again, badly focused. Miscellaneous airplane parts. My damn it doll. My nephew Wesley got that. He drives tractor trailers now also, so good man. Damn it doll. Whenever you get upset, you bang it on stuff and go damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Just a pan of ice there. That's a very handy little thing. It's a vise, but you can turn it and you have to unlock it to turn it, but you can turn it and move it and put it whatever position you want. Just a vise. That's Cassidy. That's a decal for a model airplane that's no longer with us. So, gotta have a radio and clocks. Paper towels, so whenever you sneeze, you take care of that. That's the Kenbach that I built a little while ago. That's a chair that I'm tripping over. Some awards that I won for driving a truck. With these guys, I got that after a few months, was 100,000 miles. I've actually got over 1 million miles safe driving in a tractor trailer between Schneider and Great White and Cardinal. Just over 1 million miles when I was medically disqualified. Long story, I won't bore you. Glue, you gotta have that for sniffing and putting things together. Now this is a new third hand from the wife. I got it for my birthday. It's really cool. That's a project I'm working on. That's a clock, a little resistor thing, some Scottish rocket fuel. Just ignore that. And a little charging station for various lithium batteries. And over here, more toolboxes. That's my Wright Flyer. You guys have seen pictures of it here and yon. More airplane stuff in there. Projects. More soldering goodies. Flight boxes and that's my gas flight box. This is my electric flight box. Let's see. Back here, that's model train layout. It's very small, but I like it. It does its work. I haven't played with it in a while. Back there are some old family photos of me from back in the 70s. You don't want to see them. Rose D. Allen, I'm sure you know what that is. A few other people too who've been to South Fulton Skyport know what it is also. It was saved after the place burned, unfortunately. That's the Panther. You guys have seen that flying, or pictures of it. I can't take a picture of it while it's flying, obviously, because I can't hold a camera and take a picture of it. And then that's the wall of miscellaneous goodies. There's propellers and covering material and spare rotor blades and old Grand Wing servo junk. And Peter, you should know what that is, so should you, buddy. Like I say, and that's just more goodies. And that's a duck. This is the door out to where a couple of the full-scale planes are. Well, the two full-scale airplanes are that I own. Weed hopper and a Pete pole. And that's the door. It goes outside. It doesn't really do anything special. Anyway, Hope y'all enjoyed looking about my workshop. Talk to you later. Bye.